Hi guys, it's Mama Bear here. As you all know, today's Crystal's birthday. I was gonna prank her this morning, but then she went out to breakfast with her friend. So she just got back a few hours ago and taking a nap inside. So I think this is a perfect timing for me to prank her car. Should I or should I not? Nah, just go ahead and do it, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna start, okay? I don't know how to use the camera, but I try my best to record. Still, I don't know if I should do this or not, but since, you know, she pranked me all the time, so I'm gonna have the last laugh, okay? Okay guys, so this is what I bought. So I'm gonna spray paint her car. I hope it turned out good, okay? I'm gonna get her good this time. So hopefully I'll do a good job. So I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so I'm setting up a camera right now. I hope I'm setting it right because I never set up a camera before. So I'm gonna start spray painting her car right now, okay? She's gonna kill me, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Ha ha ha! Loser! I hope I said it right. I don't know how to do this. You suck, Crystal. I'm loving this. Okay, what else should I write? Let's see. What else should I say, huh? So, I'm gonna write, I hate you. Hope I have enough room. Yeah! I hate you. Okay, one more side. What should I put? Crystal clear. Crew. Okay guys, okay, earlier she told me to close the gate, but I did not. So I'm gonna go in and set up another 2 camera inside, and I'm gonna wake her up so she'll think that somebody vandalized her car. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in and wake her up right now, and I'm gonna set up another camera inside, okay? So I'll see you soon. Oh my God, Crystal, wake up! Somebody, look at your car. Oh my God, oh my God, I don't even know what to say.
What do you mean?
Somebody wrote something on your stupid car. I was in the kitchen. Oh my God.
What did they write?
I don't know. The neighbor called me and then he said something in Spanish. I don't know. So I walked out. Something in Spanish. I don't know. So I walked out. Look what happened.
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
Who the... Dude! Who did they see who did this? What the fuck is this?
I don't know.
I hate you. Who the hell would do...
Yep.
Did you see anybody? Like, do you have my phone? Like, what? Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Who saw it?
The neighbor called me.
Okay, where's the freaking neighbor at?
He's playing somewhere. I don't know. So I was cooking. What's that on the other side?
Oh, hell no. What the hell is this? Why are you laughing? This is not funny.
Remember how you pranked me?
What do you mean?
Prank me? Now you're gonna get it.
Where's the freaking camera at?
Right there.
Oh, hell What the hell?
You got me good, Crystal.
Oh. So this is what happens when I turn 26?
Yep. Happy birthday.
Is this like washable at least?
Yes. Happy birthday, Crystal. You pranked me so bad.
Dude, I was taking a nap.
Mission accomplished.
I don't even know what to say right now. Y'all, my car is ruined. My hair is probably all fucked up too. Oh my gosh, what the fuck?
That's what you get. Happy birthday.
What the hell, Mom? What the hell, man? You're gonna clean this all up. I ain't gonna clean it. Look. You suck? Really? Loser? What? My neighbor's over there. What the hell is he doing? Why didn't he stop her? I hate you? Oh, hell no. What the fuck's on this side? Crystal clear crew, really? Really? Yo, I'm like hella pissed right now. Like, it's my birthday, like I shouldn't be dealing with this shit. What the fuck, like what? I'm gonna cry, y'all. Like legit gonna cry. It's fucking hot outside. Mom!
What?
Why would you do that? Please explain.
Because you think I'm not capable of doing anything like that?
Never in a million years did I think she would do that to me. It's my car. She knows.
Never.
She knows how precious my car is. Like
in your face.
Yo, like what the hell? Like you want me to drive like this?
You never.
Am I even allowed to drive like this? Loser. What the hell? Oh hell no! This is like.
Nice, huh?
I guess this is what 26 means when you turn 26, guys. Make sure when you guys turn 26, make sure you guys. I don't know, like make sure your parents aren't home or something
never
because.
Thought in a million years I would do something like this, right? Mama bear.
I was taking a nap. This is horrible. I don't even know what to say right now. I'm speechless. Now I gotta go clean all of this because I gotta drive my car. I Uber, you know that, right? People are gonna see my car like this.
Not my problem.
Oh, Jesus. Well, I don't even know what to say. I think.
Good job, Mama.
I gotta clean my car now. I gotta close out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my mom pranking me because I am pissed. Pissed off. This is ridiculous. Give it a thumbs up for my mom though because she would have never done this in a million years. See, she already did this part. She did this part the other day and I was okay with that because I'm like, okay, I could just wash it off. But this shit, like, bruh. Oh, hell no, like, I don't even know right now. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that like button for my mother. I don't know. I don't even know what to say anymore. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow because I'm really bad now. So, see you guys tomorrow. Peace. So I just wanted to include this in the video. I did show my mom a YouTube video of parents pranking their son. So if you guys know who FaZe Rug is, his parents did a prank on him on his Lambo, and I showed my mom and she thought it was really funny, so maybe I shouldn't have shown her, but I did show it to her, so that's why she came up with this damn stupid idea, and now my car is like freaking ruined. I'm supposed to be celebrating my birthday today, but whatever. I'm just super mad now. But I guess she got me really good, but don't worry, I'm gonna get her back. Gonna get her back good. But like I said earlier, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as she did because I didn't.
Fuck with me and get some money, Ay, fuck with me and get some money, Ay, yeah. Fuck with me and get some money. Ay, yeah, fuck with me. Light is up, steam out the roof, pipe up, spit